Thanks to modern technology, seatbelts now offer enhanced protection with the development of pre-tensioners and force limiters. Let's see how they work. In an emergency, you jam on the brakes. Upon impact, the seatbelt pulls you in and the front airbag deploys. Let's look at that again. We can see here the seatbelt pre-tensioner in action. It actively tightens the seatbelt, helping to ensure you're securely in your seat. Then, to help prevent injury from the seatbelt itself, the force limiter reduces the pressure of the seatbelt against your chest. Together they work with the front airbag to give you better protection.